Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually have those cute icons next to your Facebook profile. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to have cute icons on Facebook profile. So we're about to basically learn how we can actually enable some of the cute icons on Facebook profile. So make sure to stick with us till the end. First of all, you want to simply make sure to update the Facebook app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box type in Facebook, go ahead and simply update the Facebook app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Facebook, I'm going to simply open it. And the next thing you want to make sure is that you are basically logged into your account. Go ahead and simply log into your account. Now what you could do is, from the top left hand side, I'm going to simply go ahead and tap on my profile picture to go to our profile page. Once you go to our profile page, you can see currently we have not added yet any type of emojis or any type of cute icons. So in order to add an icon to our profile, what we have to do is tap on this button which says edit profile. Now there are multiple ways to actually work around this. You could add some icons to your bio as well, but let's say you don't want to use it on your bio because it is already occupied. What you can do is scroll all the way to the bottom until you find this links section. So just beside the links, you'll be able to find an option which says edit, which is highlighted in blue. So tap on the edit button. Once you tap on edit button, you'll be able to see a bunch of social media links which you have added. Now what you could do is simply tap on the button which says add social link at the top, and first of all simply select a platform. Now you could go ahead and select a platform to which you haven't actually added a link yet. So go ahead and simply select any of the platform. I'm just going to choose Key for example, and in the username section, instead of typing in your username, you want to simply go ahead and use any of the emojis or icons which you might actually want to use. So go ahead and actually simply use any of the icons which you might actually want to use or on your Facebook profile. Now go ahead and actually use any of it as you wish. Once you've actually decided to use these icons, what you could do is, in order to save it, you simply need to tap on the check button first. Now in order to save it, what you have to do is, from the top right hand side of the screen, simply tap on the save button. As you tap on the save button, it may actually take some time to save the changes. So you want to be patient and wait until this screen is actually loaded back. And you can see now at the bottom under the link section, we have added some of the icons which we don't want to add it before. Now you can come back and then I'm going to show you, and by refreshing this page, right here you'll be able to see these icons over here. And this is basically it on how you can very easily actually add some cute icons to your Facebook profile. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.